It's useful being top banana in the shock department. That's a line spoken by Audrey Hepburn as Holly Golightly in Breakfast at Tiffany's. You might ask Mish, what the fuck does that have to do with air-fried radishes? And to that, I should confidently reply, air-fried radishes are in their own delicious way utterly shocking. Prepare yourself for a culinary revelation because you truly wouldn't believe it's the same vegetable. The sharp, sometimes biting tartness that defines a raw radish, it vanishes, poof, into the circulating hot air of your trusty air fryer. Some people compare the taste to a potato, and I've substituted potatoes with radishes in my radish hash. Say that 5 times fast. All I truly know, deep in my culinary soul, is that I absolutely adore them air fried. I have a strong suspicion that you will too. The preparation is deceptively simple, yet yields extraordinary results. Vibrant radishes tossed in olive oil and then generously coated with twice-stolen spice. Add a touch of cheese, if you please. That's a mere 4 ingredients for a dish that will have you rethinking everything you thought you knew about this often misunderstood vegetable. Make this and make your kitchen magic. Okay. In case you didn't know it, you can air fry radishes. These are so good, but I gotta bring them to the table before I eat them all. So, you know what I'm gonna tell you to do, right? You should make your kitchen magic. Make this. Let's eat.